Suppose that the mean time for an oil change at a 10-minute oil change joint is 11.4 minutes with a standard deviation of 3.2 minutes. Part A. If a random sample of n equals 35 oil changes is selected, describe the sampling distribution of the sample mean. The sample size is greater than or equal to 30, so the distribution of the sample mean is normally distributed. Part B. If a random sample of n equals 35 oil changes is selected, what is the probability the mean oil change time is less than 11 minutes? The problem is asking us for the probability that the sample mean is less than 11 minutes, so that means we are computing the probability that x bar is less than 11. We already determined that the distribution of the sample mean is normally distributed, so now we can compute mu of x bar and sigma of x bar. Mu of x bar is equal to mu, and we were told that the mean is 11.4 minutes, so mu of x bar is equal to 11.4. Now let's compute sigma of x bar. We are told that sigma is 3.2 minutes, and we have that the sample size is 35. Rounding to 4 decimal places, we get approximately 0.5409. Now let's draw a sketch. Let's fill in some values on the horizontal axis. Because we want the probability that the sample mean is less than 11, we need to find the area to the left of 11. Now let's shade the region to the left of 11. Notice that we are shading less than half of the area under the curve, so we expect our answer to be less than 0.5. Now let's go to StatCrunch to compute the area. Let's go to Stat, Calculators, Normal. We have that the mean is 11.4. So 11.4 will go here. And we found that the standard deviation is approximately 0.5409, so we will type that here. We want the probability that the sample mean is less than 11, so we will select this one here, and then type 11 here, and press compute. Rounding to 4 decimal places, we get 0.2298. Now let's compute the area by hand. Remember that we want to find the probability that x bar is less than 11. In order to use table 5, we need to convert 11 into a z-score. We get that the z-score is approximately negative 0.74. So the probability that x bar is less than 11 is equal to the probability that z is less than negative 0.74. Using table 5, we get that the area to the left of z equals negative 0.74 is 0.2296. Notice that the answers are a little bit different, however, either one is considered correct in MyMathLab.